All right, ladies and gentlemen, David Swig with Haggerty Marketplace, the 1937 Plymouth Deluxe Tour Sedan. Let's go for a little ride. Turn the ignition on, in neutral, foot pedal start. Usually best to engage second before dropping down into first. Helps those gears mesh together, and off we go. Nice and smooth. Second gear. Speedometer is working, I can verify that. In top gear. Effortless Plymouth cruising. It's got a really nice and tight front end and suspension. Very, for a 1930s car, I would say the steering is very precise. You can certainly tell that everything was rebuilt and done to a very high standard. Along at 30-35 miles an hour here. Well, if you've ever dreamed of owning a pre-war Plymouth, you probably couldn't do better than this one. And you got room for the entire family. So David Swig here again, Haggerty Marketplace. Thanks for riding along with us. Happy bidding and good luck.